Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the message corner style on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Chat Settings. Scroll down. Under Message Corner section, drag the scroller to the right to increase the curve. Drag the scroller to the left to decrease the curve. Now go back to the home screen and open a chat to see how it looks. This is how you can change the message corner style on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.